Hello, I'm going to talk to you today about plastics and plastics recycling because that is critical. 8 million tons of plastic winds up now in our rivers and our oceans every year, which is detrimental to marine life. But plastic is not the enemy, because plastic bottles are useful in many situations around the world when there's a natural disaster and we need to get safe drinking water to people to save their lives. But also, many countries don't have the luxury of just turning on a tap and drinking fresh, clean water from the tap. Many people around the world, unfortunately, their water system is not good enough, so they need to drink fresh water from a bottle. So what we've done is we've taken these bottles, go to a recycling plant, they crush it up into small little flakes. And then we took those flakes and we made beads, little plastic beads. And from those beads, we can then make a fiber. So here is a fiber made out of that recycled plastic material. But the beauty about this fiber, and it's about the diameter of a human hair, but the middle of it is made of a strong fiber, but the outside of it is coated in a lower melting point plastic. But it's still the same plastic. We've just changed a little bit of the mad chemistry around it. And then when we take those fibers, we can weave them into a cloth or a textile type of structure like this. Again, it doesn't have any properties because it's like a piece of material. But when we heat that up again and we put it into a press and we press them together, we now make a structural material like this that is very, very lightweight, but very, very strong. And this is called a fiber reinforced composite. Now, you might recognize composites from, if you're a follower or a fan of Formula One cars, all of the monocoque, the structure is made out of carbon fiber reinforced plastics. This is made out of PET, that's the type of plastic in our bottles, composite. So these, I might say, will be used in Formula One cars. They're just not strong enough, but they could be used in the structural design of electric vehicle cars into the future. But at the end of the day, this, because it's made out of the original bottle material, can be recycled 100% back into those flakes again and then reused.